Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Give me your hands right now! Show me your hands right now! Get out! Get out of the car! Get out or I'm gonna shoot you! Get out! Get out of the car! Right now! Let me see your hands and don't move! Let me see them hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get on the ground! Hey, get out and we won't shoot!
April 18,
Show me your hands!
1:02 p.m. United
Come
States.
out the
What
car,
began
lay
as a
on your
routine
belly.
traffic stop quickly
Lay on
escalated
your
into a
belly.
high-tension encounter.
Lay on your belly and show me your hands. Do it now. Lay on your belly.
April 18th, 2024, in the United States. A seemingly simple traffic stop turned into chaos in just the first 10 seconds. The police pulled out a taser, shouted, "Show me your hands!" and the driver screamed that his civil rights were violated. No one knew that the next moment would escalate into a tense confrontation.
On your belly! God damn it, lay down! Put your hands behind your back! Don't f***ing move. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do not mess with me. Do not move. Okay?
Got you. I got you.
Do not move.
Sir, I'm yours.
Okay.
I'm yours,
You
sir.
stay that way and don't move.
Sir, I'm yours. It's me, sir. I'm yours. Y'all don't remember me? I'm yours, sir.
Somebody,
You ain't gotta worry
cuff
about
him. Cuff him.
Kidnap, gang. Kidnap. Hey, let's go.
Do not move. He's going to cuff you.
Nah, he good. I know he's not gonna hit
Okay.
me. He know who I am. Bite the solid.
Check the car.
100.
Check the car.
Yeah, I want to be
Treadway and Piney. Treadway and Piney Court.
Hey, that's mine. That's dog. I got receipts and all that. I ain't getting no permission. I can't wait to call my lawyer. Anyways, y'all know who it is. Y'all know who it is. I got it. Oh, down. I feel threatened now.
Hush.
Yes, sir.
Channel 100 going ahead and dollar down on there. Check 400. 203 100. Can you assistance?
Everything's coming out of your pockets. You got any weapons on you?
What you doing?
You got any weapons
I'm
on you?
under arrest?
Yeah, you are under arrest. You
For
have
what?
you have weapons on you?
For what?
The suspect verbally protested that his rights had been violated, asked to call his attorney, Jake, and refused to get into the patrol car. When police searched the person, vehicle, they discovered suspected drugs, and tensions continued to escalate.
Why can't I protect myself? My fist is a weapon. Your fist is a weapon. So y'all know what's up.
Asking you a question. If you don't want to answer.
Huh?
There's the machete right here.
Huh? I don't care about getting naked. I don't care about this.
Checking your pockets, so stop moving.
No, you're actually violating my rights.
Yeah, okay.
You're actually violating my rights. That's exactly what you're doing. Whatever you...
Let's stand him up and get him in the car. You can pat him down better. Hang on. Hey, I'll tell you what I want you to do. Relax.
I'm not... What am I? You're a robot?
Relax a second, and I'll tell you what I need you to do. Who's got a car right here?
Hey, I don't give y'all permission to go in my shit at all. I need my front door. I need my door locked. I don't give y'all permission. Y'all done throw all my shit around the road. All right. Don't worry. I'm calling Jake. Wait till Jake get here. Jake, y'all know how Jake get. Y'all don't want that shit. And barbecue. South. Oh, now it's a problem. When I do it, it's a problem. When they did it to me, it wasn't no problem. It was funny. See, I just want to be a good guy. Y'all turned me into the bad guy. So, hey, game on. Let ride. Right.
Baker's pulling his car up. We're gonna.
Y'all know it. Hey, Sarge. Sarge, don't sit up, Sarge.
We're gonna do
Don't sit up, Sarge.
We're gonna do a show.
So when I get the ward and Cap,
Can we sim in
when
the
I
car
get the
first?
ward and Cap,
Can we sim in that car for a minute?
hey, man, everything, it ain't shit you can do.
We can sim him.
It ain't shit
That's
you
what I
can
want to do.
do.
I want to stand him up.
It ain't
search him
nothing you can
the
do.
rest of the way. Have him sit
Hold
in
on,
the
I
car.
can't go that way. What you want me to stand up?
Stand up.
All right, let me work together now.
You want me to help you? Come on.
Let me go. Hold on. Ow, 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 ow.
Use your legs.
Ow,
You gotta use your legs.
ow.
Come on, man.
I gotta pick my stuff up. Y'all threw all my shit away.
Come on.
Feet off my
Battery on Elio. Right.
Come on, I ain't good time for that. All right, my bad. I apologize. Yes, sir.
Let go of that key. Hey. Let go of the key.
Robbery.
Let go.
Abuse.
Let go.
Abuse.
Relax. Where's the car?
I'm winning, you too.
Open up.
Hey, y'all get this on camera now.
You're on camera, so you better be on good behavior. Yeah, all right. You gonna stand up or you gonna keep kicking, man? What are you gonna do?
I'm not able.
Okay. You're gonna stand up, we're gonna walk you to the car. Or you can sit, or you can keep laying down in the grass. What do you wanna do?
I want to keep laying down in the grass.
Okay. You stay in the grass now.
Y'all ain't got nothing better to do.
You can check the front of them, so.
Yeah. All right, now.
Roll this way. Roll this way.
This is what y'all do. I love this shit. Hey,
Hold on, buddy.
is you trying to touch my pee? If I got chlamydia and gonorrhea, you want your wife to have that? She'll hate you forever.
I don't have a wife.
Oh, your man.
Relax,
I
buddy.
knew y'all was gay.
You got
That's
it.
why y'all trying to. Hey. Oh, yeah. I didn't wash my ass neither. Thank you, sir.
Right.
I appreciate you for picking it up.
All right. You
I know you
gonna
feel how to
sit in the
feel.
car now or what?
Huh? In my car? What am I sit in your car for?
Have a sit in this car. No?
Huh?
You're not gonna sit in the car?
No, I want to lay in the grass.
Okay.
If I got options, shit. I'm trying to figure, do I got options or do I not?
That was an option. You want to sit or you want to lay in the grass?
That shit just don't make no sense sometimes. We be trying. We be trying so hard.
Got an evidence bag? Here, don't put that back in the car.
All right. There's no Jike coming now. Jike don't play with barbecue. He gonna grill your you and all yours. Y'all ain't ready for this shit. Y'all is not ready for this shit.
We'll grab an evidence
Y'all
bag.
is
I'll
not
put
as ready.
everything
Ain't no
in.
evidence, suck that.
Yeah, what I
suck
took
that.
out of his pockets, we'll put it inside the evidence
Fuck
bag.
that.
So.
You see him being generous. You see him.
He never, no,
know
nothing
what you
physical,
doing,
just
man.
verbal.
Come on, boy. You know what's up. You know what's up. You know what's
I
up.
talked to
Wait
a
till them
manager
people
that was
come.
standing up front.
Wait till them people come. You know what's up. I'ma lay in this
She
grass.
said he took off. I didn't get any more details because I was trying to back you up.
I might as well just shoot me in the head.
Open.
I done seen it all but there. I tried to be a forensic scientist, but y'all did shit like this. It just made me. All I thought was about, damn, I still want to be great, but I still want my revenge. Like, those people me up. That was up to do to a man. What? How you just do that to a man like that? And then you got these females out here acting like. I'm like, bro, after you jump this stuff, punch you in your throat, your big throat. Man, I just like to laugh, man. Hey, I got some water. Hey, I seen a lady last night. But she was so fine. She was so fine. Illegal shit. We throwing up foes all summer, man. Faux shit. Faux shit, no whole shit, man. Faux shit, no whole shit. Y'all know what it is. Y'all ain't finna drop me off nowhere. Y'all ain't finna do nothing till my lawyer get here, man. Till my lawyer get here, man. Y'all ain't finna do my shit like that. Stop trying to tase me, man. I feel all that. Come on, bro. Hey, where the captain at? Where your head supervisor at? Get out and stop with my shit. Stop with my shit. Oh, that's a lot of inventory y'all finna have to do. I know y'all want to do all that paperwork about that bullshit. After all y'all done to me, y'all want to do paperwork about that? Oh, y'all gonna feel so stupid. Go ahead, have fun, be my guest. Kobe, I'm Shaq, you blind. Respect due to a...
During the escort, the suspect writhed, screamed, and demanded to lie on the grass instead of getting into the car. He claimed to have been shot in the leg, knee, and had a splint and screws, so he could not bend his leg. The task force had to coordinate with many people to get the suspect into the car safely.
Dog on foot. Respect due to a dog on foot. Remember now, you got goldfishes you love. You got pens you love, writing pens. Remember now. Remember that. 1436 Teal Drive. Go break that bitch in, take everything you can. I don't give a f. That shit ain't gonna hurt me. Pure. This shit bona fide for life. All of it. Everything straight bona fide game. When bona fide come through, we regulating that drummer. You mean? This shit bona fide. I know y'all was probably bored anyway. Like, damn, when we gonna get some action in this lame ass city? I hear about all this other shit. When the something's gonna happen here? I wanna go viral. I'm tired of just watching this shit. I wanna be active. I gave it to y'all, man. But I know y'all try to turn it around and, you know, but no, I ain't mad. Whatever happens, happens. If I lose, I lose. I win, I win. You know what I'm saying? North, east, southwest, down, up, low, right. You know what I'm saying? Central, east. You know, everything.
Not a fan of searching dirty cars without one.
If y'all trying to get sick, you know what I'm saying? Be my guest. If y'all trying to kill the sickness, you know what I'm saying? Be my guest as well. Why y'all got different boots on? Why your boots look like hand-me-downs, like they were just hand down to you? And they look like they went and bought their boots. They boots look like they got them out the store.
That's mean.
Yeah. So when they kick you right in the mouth when you're laying on the ground.
Why are you being mean?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Because people always
picked on you about your clothes?
Picked on me about my clothes?
What if I picked on you about your clothes?
I'll just take it, and then next time I dress again, I'll make sure I look better.
Why would I be mean to you?
That's not being mean. That's just giving some opinion, giving your opinion. You know what I'm saying?
I'll be at the original location.
I've gone through quite a few boots in my time.
Yeah. One's for work, one's for the park, one's for the library. One's to go to the gym, one's to go to Chipotle. Damn, tired. Well, I'm gonna go get something else. Boots. Get something alright. You hate this shit, huh? You hate this part.
No, it's just hot for everybody. Glad you didn't get yourself hurt or anybody else.
I've been hurt before and I recovered.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean it's okay.
So what does it mean? I think they was more scared to shoot. That's the thing. Sarge with the big AK, Sarge was scared as f*** too. Sarge like, man, I do not want to lose anything over this shit. I don't even want to lose a chocolate chip M&M over this. I love my M&Ms. I love my Snickers. Damn, I forgot my ice cream Snicker bars at home in my deep freezer.
Those are good, I have those.
Well, listen, they so, I was like, man, I can't eat one, I need two. These bitch, what? Them shits are gas. I was like, man, I need two of these. I can't eat just one. You like pistachios?
I got the Twix ones too.
The Twix, I like Twix, but I never had like the ice cream Twix.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I never had that shit.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't got no information for you though. If you talking about like trying to like put me on social media as a rat or anything like that, I'm full game. No rain.
I'm just talking about
I'm big bang.
ice cream, not full
Yeah,
game.
but shit get. You know what I'm saying? You ever played Pass It Down?
No.
You say one thing to one person,
Like
and then you
telephone?
wait till it get to like all the way down to the middle of the country and see what happened, what was said.
We just talking about ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream's good. You like gummy bears?
Yeah.
I be thinking sometimes like, man, is this for kids? I used to always want this when I was a kid, and I never been able to get it. Now I could get it, and now it's like people pick on me
You
about
gotta pick
eating.
one candy. What is it?
Oh, Twin Snakes, you know it. I'm going to 7-Eleven. Dollar General or 7-Eleven, I'm grabbing two Twin Snakes. Two of them. I need two Twin Snakes. $1.25. $1.25. I need two Twin Snakes. This is how I keep my peace. This shit so people want to understand. They say, oh, these are nasty. They're so hard. I'm like, just chill, baby. Just chill, baby. They ain't for you. They for me. Greedy ass. Why your eyes bigger than your stomach? Your eyes bigger than your motherfucking stomach. That's the problem. Child. Everybody like, that. We ain't doing child today. Inspection. Everybody up on your bunks. Like your toiletry, everything ready. White shirt coming through.
The white shirt.
You know about it?
Get the white shirt. Yeah.
With the V-neck.
I've heard that before.
Yeah.
Bring the white shirt.
That.
I'm gonna throw on some gloves. We're gonna get this guy sitting in the car.
I say I'm gonna call my mama.
Hey, do me a favor. Can you just
Yeah.
sit like that for a minute?
You might get sick if you touch me.
Yeah, but I just want you to sit like that for a minute.
Yeah, it took too long. Hey, look, this is my little brother.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's his name?
His name? Fiji.
Is he a good brother?
Yeah. Check up on me a lot.
It's because he cares about you.
Fiji, man.
That's why you can't be acting silly, because Fiji cares about you.
I know, but Fiji knows. He knows, like,
But he knows
he knows what Luigi do in Mario. So he like, man, I can't. I know, and he be wanting to participate because how fun it is. You know?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that car. You got to get in the back of this car and have a seat, okay?
Yeah, your AC on and stuff.
Yep. We're going to try to help you out. You got to stand up and walk over there, okay?
Damn, that's gonna be a lot of money to fix that bumper.
Bring one of your feet in so you can stand up.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
Take it off. I don't want to get the car dirty. Don't
worry about that.
I might have like a female supervisor. She's like, yeah, it stinks in this shit. Getting in here. No, I'm going to talk on his car. This shit stinks.
Hold on.
This one you want to do, fathead. Everybody tell you how to, how many times y'all gonna put y'all hands on me?
You got to shake it out.
So what if I did it to you? How you feel? If I f with your attire.
You know, that's what
If I just f with your attire, how would you feel?
No, that's what we gotta do, man.
No, it ain't what you gotta do, that's what you trained to do, stupid.
It's the same thing. Alright. Put some AC. Put your foot in, man. Come on, man.
Get it? I'm gonna call my doctor, Frank
Put your
Avalusa.
foot in the car.
I'm gonna call Frank Avalusa. Call my doctor.
Put your foot in the car.
You're hurting it.
Move it.
How? There's only so much space back here.
Put it down with the other one.
It can't bend.
Already is.
It's not bendable. It got a rod and screws in it. I've been shot in my leg. I've been shot in my knee.
What started as a stop sign escalated into verbal and physical altercations, demonstrating that lack of cooperation on the spot, risk of escalation. The message is clear: obey on the road, fight it out in court to keep everyone safe.